Hello, my name is Norberto Hurtado Velázquez. Today I'm going to talk about reverse logistics in the Olympica S.A. chain of stores. Olympica was founded in 1953 and its capital is 100% natural. They are recognized as leading company in the commercialization of mass consumption products. On the highest quality through a private chain of establishments that include superstores and superdrug stores. Olympica S.A. in their reverse logistics process, they have implemented a program of recycling tactics. Advantage of the reusable material that is general and the points of salt natural level in order mitigate the impact of environment. More than 20 different types of products and materials are collected and stored in the recycling program such as plastic hubs, glass, scrap, plastic, newspaper, field paper, paperboard, and some um, according to the 2017 data report, 8,307 tons of recycled material were recovered that year. The remaining 9% of recycled material is paperboard, the 5% is plastic, and the 6% is stored recycled material. Thank you.